you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
The Gen X bow comes with the standard Gen X cam, which allows the archer to increase your weight to 40 pounds. It's going to increase your arrow velocity, and 40 pounds draw weight is legal for bow hunting in all states. The Gen X bow is available as a standalone bow only or accessorized with all the components. The Gen X kit includes a whisker biscuit style rest, a 3-pin sight, and a detachable quiver that comes with 4 arrows. All you need to add is the nock point and you're ready to start shooting.